Today we are going to learn how to make Italian meatloaf or polpettone al forno with one of my cooking mentors, Marietta CILEA. She's going to bake it on a bed of fresh garden veggies. In here we have the leeks, the tomatoes, the onions, a little bit of oregano, some rosemary, and some red peppers. And we just toss everything together and sprinkle it with some extra virgin olive oil and some salt and pepper. Now we blanch some string beans and carrots, and we make hard-boiled eggs for the middle. For the meatloaf itself, we will use 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of mustard, salt and pepper, 1 finely chopped onion, and 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. We are using a mix of ground pork, ground veal, and ground beef. About 1 pound of each would be fine. And then we are going to go ahead and stuff it with hard-boiled eggs and string beans and carrots.
Ay, vieras que no creo. Mucho carnaval. Es que no, que es muy grande. Sí, tal vez. Yeah. Okay.
After we have formed the loaves, we are getting ready to put it in the oven for about an hour and bake it on the bed of fresh veggies and herbs. And we are going to top it with some fresh rosemary. After it's ready, we just slice and serve. And notice that it looks really beautiful. For these and other recipes, go to practicalrecipes.com.